Hey guys, welcome to another video. Sorry about the weird intro. Today, this video I had to finish up really quickly, so that's why this video is gonna be a tad bit short. So, let's begin. I have no fidgets. Oh, excuse me. Ma'am, are you okay? Thanks. Guys, she just gave me this for absolutely no reason. She also said that if I ate one a day, I would get a fidget a day. So, maybe that counts for today. I'm not sure. I hope it does. Let's get one. Oh, I got two on accident. I'm going to take the more orange one. It's a bit less. Alright, let's get it. Nothing happening yet. What was that? Oh my gosh, guys, I got an orange pop tube. This works for sure. So tomorrow I'm gonna get a new one. Maybe I should trade somebody. Alright. Oh, excuse me, ma'am, do you want to offer for this? Oh yeah, I have this big one. Just pretend you can't see me talking. Oh yeah, I have this big putty. What do you have to offer? Oh, this orange pop tube. Right, alright. That's it, accept. Guys, she gave me a big putty. That's so cool. Ugh, I can't open it. It's so hard. There we go. Got it. Look at this putty. Look how neon it is. It's so cool. Honestly, I love this so much. And there's beads in it. Look. Hold on. They look a bit off. Like, they're not actually beads. Orbeez. They're Orbeez. Maybe she ripped me off. Still, I'm going to get another fidget tomorrow. So, I think I should head to bed. Alright. Well, good night. Oh, it's morning already. Wow. Alright, well, let's take another one of these. Which one's more orange? This one. Alright, let's try this out. And that one's so good. Nothing's happening yet. What was that? Oh my gosh, there's a banana stress ball. Now I have two stress balls. That's amazing. Either way, if you like this video, make sure you like, and I'll make a part 2 to it. Bye, guys.